In this video, we're diving into how to track global payment history in Deel, a software that simplifies global payments, invoicing, and managing international teams. Whether you're a freelancer, an agency, or a business owner managing payments worldwide, Deel makes it easy to stay on top of your transactions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to track your global payments with Deel to streamline your financial operations. If you're new to Deel, it's an all-in-one platform that helps businesses hire globally and manage payments seamlessly. You can use Deel for completely free from the first link below, and we have some exclusive bonuses for you to get started. Stick around because I'll share some pro tips on how you can maximize Deel's payment tracking features and ensure you're always in control of your global payment history. Now let's get started with tracking global payments in Deel. Once you log into your Deel account, navigate to the Payments section. This is where all the magic happens. You'll be able to see a comprehensive overview of all payments, including past, current, and upcoming transactions. The dashboard displays payments organized by date, amount, and payment status, giving you a quick snapshot of your payment history. To view detailed payment history for any specific contractor or team member, simply click on their profile. From there, you'll see a timeline of payments made, invoices submitted, and any relevant documents. Deel also tracks whether payments have been processed, pending, or completed, helping you stay on top of everything. The payment history feature in Deel is especially valuable for businesses with teams spread across multiple countries. It ensures that you can quickly reconcile payments and verify that funds have been received. This is perfect for anyone managing global teams, as it saves time on manual tracking and reduces errors. Deel allows you to filter by payment status or date range, so you can narrow down your search if you're looking for specific transactions. Another feature worth mentioning is the ability to download payment history reports. This is a game changer if you need to keep detailed records for accounting or tax purposes. You can download reports in various formats like CSV, which makes it easy to import into your accounting software or share with your finance team. If you're handling multiple currencies, Deel automatically converts payments into your default currency, providing a clear view of the amounts in one consolidated report. This feature alone eliminates the hassle of dealing with exchange rates and ensures you always know exactly what's going in and out of your account. Now, let's talk about payment notifications. Deel sends out email alerts when a payment is processed or when there's an issue with a payment. These notifications keep you in the loop and prevent surprises, so you're never left wondering about the status of your payments. One more tip. Deel's integration with tools like QuickBooks and Xero makes syncing your payment history with your accounting software incredibly simple. This integration automates the process of importing your payment history, making it easier to manage your finances without jumping between different platforms. Before we wrap up, don't forget that Deel offers an exclusive extended free trial for you when you sign up through the first link below. This gives you the chance to explore Deel's full capabilities without any risk. You'll be able to see how Deel tracks global payment history and how it can help you streamline your payment processes. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check the description for your exclusive offer. Happy payment tracking with Deel,